Good afternoon. I'm going to talk about how the humankind has lost their connectivity with the nature. So in this case, I listen to Tech Talk. So these men talk about how the nature provides us food, refugee, beautiful environment that we can watch and behold and have beautiful experiences. Get in touch with docile animals, or in the contrary, we can see a strong animal. So I think so. The first the origin of the humankind, the the people can move from the from the countryside into the urbanization, into the city. But this action has a consequence. First of all, there are a lot of pollution in the city. Due to there are more people, increase the uh, gas like methane or carbon dioxide. So these gases affect the environment and of course our planet, the temperature. So it's very important that we realize the importance that the peasants have in the countryside, because they provide food, they provide 90% of food into the city, and this is that the government can make sure the alimentary food. So in my case, in my opinion, I prefer to live in the countryside. In Ecuador, my family have two houses, one on the city and one on the countryside. Uh, many of my years I stay in the countryside, but when I go to the university, I have to stay in that house because I don't have time to move back into my countryside house. So, but when I have time, I go to my parents live here in the countryside, and I have many friends here. So, but but as you can see in this picture, this one, the human and the nature have a connection very deepest, right? So in my case, in the countryside, the more the benefit I have in this place, the air is more clean, is more sure because there are no thief, there are a few cars, so that allow me to play that I want. So I in that years I doesn't worry what happened, because I don't have preoccupation in that moment. So that are the benefits. The air is more clean. The water is a lot of the soil in many cases, not at all, but in my case at least, the soil is is used for figs. So my grandfather have a soil or land, and they use the land to produce like something like maize, rice, or beans. So another thing that I want to show you is this image. This image have a deepest meaning. So that meaning that the relationship between the humankind and the nature. The for many years ago, the nature have an important play because uh, the relationship is from other to other. So if the people cut the trees or damage the land, the nature the bring it back and that this thing to the people. So if the people damage the environment damage the people. So the relationship between them is mutual. So that should make the images. So uh, another thing is that another thing is how the city are increasingly right now. So for me, the first benefit that I have in the city is I have more near the hospital. I have more places to go and distraction. But in the case, for example, malls, cines, or something like this. In the countryside, there isn't. But as you can see in this picture, there are a family in the countryside that are delighting of the sunshine, of the river, of the ground. So this thing are created for the family. But the urbanism right now is there are increasingly in exponential ways. So how can we how can we stop this? So in my opinion, it's a little difficult because the population are growing. There are more people that are moving into the city. So, but I read certain article that say there are a tendency, there are people, a few people of course, they are moving into the countryside because there are, in this case, there are older people. In my opinion, in my experiences, I think that for me at least the best way to live more time is to live in the countryside because there are air clean air the air is clean, the water is enough, and in certain case no always it's cheap. And another benefit is the environment itself because we can enjoy the nature, and this provides us uh, harmony, a sense of harmony, happiness. So for me, that is the best way to live more. And in this page, you can see the bibliography that I use with these images. So thanks.